Hi everyone, it's Miss England, teacher librarian at John Muir Middle School Library, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to add audiobook sync to your Sora. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go to audiobooksync.com. Once you're here, you're going to register with your email. So go ahead and click on the register. It will take you to a spot to give instructions on how to set up Sora. So if you haven't set up Sora already, go ahead and follow these. If you have set up Sora, which you can get straight through Clever at San Leandro Unified, go ahead to your Sora and you're going to look into adding a public library. I'm going to control copy this and I'm going to add a public library, which is actually just the audiobook sync library. And how I'm going to do that is I'll go straight to Sora. And on the upper right hand corner, there is the three lines. I call it the hamburger tab or the hamburger icon. I scroll down and I go to add a public library. And in this case, I'm going to go to Control V to paste exactly audiobook sync. It'll come up as a library, and then you're going to click on This is my school. I don't know why it says that. But anyways, so go ahead and sign up, RENGLAD. So I'm going to use my email address and it'll automatically put me in Sora. So now when I'm in Sora, I have an option. I can be in San Leandro Unified School District browsing. I can go to my audio sync book and see my options. So this week, week 1, we have the 57 bus and we have Monday's Not Coming. Both two great reads or listens. In 57 bus is local, takes place here in Oakland off MacArthur Boulevard. And Monday's Not Coming as a great contemporary fiction book. So enjoy your listens, and I hope this gives you more books to choose from. There will be new book choices every week, so make sure you look out for your audiobook sync here as one of your libraries. All right, enjoy.